Whoa! Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, we're doing a little experimenting tonight with some camera tricks, and I have just an amazing cameraman behind the thing. So Brent, thanks man for coming out. I know you're hard in your studies, but we're going to have a little fun tonight. You can see I'm out with the twins tonight, and people ask, and it's the 07 and the 09 335s. So just having a little fun with them tonight and sort of changing things up. A lot to talk about, short period of time. Let me get right into it. So coming up this weekend, we have Cars and Coffee at BMW Sarasota. Ton of people are showing up. You should have RSVP'd for this event. We will have a lot of people at Cars and Coffee on Saturday, and you have to have had RSVP'd. We'll go from there to Heidi's home for an afternoon party picnic. So make sure you've checked your RSVP. You will need her home address and the RSVP to get in the security gate. We'll leave the Cars and Coffee at Sarasota and go straight on over to Heidi's home where we'll enjoy the afternoon. So looking forward to a great Saturday. Sunday we have Punta Gorda. John's group's doing Punta Gorda on Saturday morning, and another great outing there in the Punta Gorda area. Let me give you some really cool news. We've just arranged a deal with BMW of Naples. 2 events coming up, and I'm really excited about this. I'm really proud that BMW of Naples, John Casco, has stepped up to the plate, and we have 2 great things coming. First, let me just tell you, in conjunction with BMW of Naples, Florida Suncoast, and Emilio Sanchez Academy, which is a tennis academy in Naples, have given us 12 free tickets to the finals, semifinals and finals on June 13th and 14th in Naples at the Academy. This is a $60,000 ladies tennis tournament, and we have private seats with some goodies, and I'm not going to tell you about those, but we have some goodies that go along with it. I have 12 free tickets to the semifinal and the final. If you want those tickets, you're going to have to call or email or text me. I have the tickets, and I'll give those out to the first 12 callers on Saturday and the first 12 callers on Sunday, June 13th and June 14th. This is an amazing thing Emilio's doing down there, and just supporting women's tennis. So come on out and be a part of that. Great academy, great teaching academy, and just appreciate that. Appreciate also John with BMW Naples of getting this all put together. So the second thing is June 11th, I'll jump ahead. While I know we have a lot of things on our calendar and a lot of the regular things that we have on our calendar, don't want to overlook those. But June 11th, we do our first Cars and Coffee. It's a Sunday. First Cars and Coffee at BMW Naples, down in Naples at their new location. They're clearing the showcase, they're clearing the showroom, and we're going to put 7 of our first top RSVPs for that event in the showroom with some just some really great treats. Some high-end coffee connoisseur folks should show up, because we're going to have some really good coffee there and some really nice some other treats to eat. And I'll leave that as we put everything on the website. But keep June 11th on your calendar. Just going to be a really cool event there. A lot of other things coming up. We have the MIX coming up at the end of June up in Greer, South Carolina. And then in just the next few weeks, we will start rolling out information about the October drive. We've closed it. We have a waiting list, but those folks that are in will get their first email blast, and we'll start talking about things to do, what we're going to do, and be ready for that. For those folks that are asking, Larry Cobb, you're one of them, I know, asking about our clothing program. We are almost there, just that close to having it finalized and out. And now we have another surprise. We have the cling stickers for the windshields, or back windshield, side windshield, however you're going to attach it. Those should be out here and available in just a couple of weeks. We had a little bafu with the first batch. We didn't like them, so we're doing a second batch, and then we'll have those. I think we've got 500, 1,000, something like that coming to us. So we're making it happen. A lot of other things. Check the website as always. All the links down there. Thanks to Carol. She's getting all this stuff going on. And thanks to my cameraman tonight, Brett, for coming out at such a late notice and getting this video. Until then, we're going to tell you, as always, if you're sitting on a sofa, man, you're wasting time.
Come on out. Happy motoring. See you soon.